Hey everyone, Corey Janoff here. In this week's Financial Planning Tuesday topic, we're going to talk about the Roth Conversion IRA, aka the Backdoor Roth IRA. Last week I talked about regular Roth IRAs, and as promised, this week we're going to dive into the Roth conversion strategy. Now, full disclosure, this is not a recommendation to go ahead and do Roth conversion IRAs or backdoor Roth IRAs. Definitely would encourage you to work with a financial advisor or tax professional who knows all the rules, as if you do it incorrectly or under the wrong circumstances, there could be some adverse tax consequences for you. But assuming you do meet the criteria and it is appropriate for you to consider, then we'll talk through how to do it today. So if you're ineligible to contribute to a Roth IRA, a regular Roth IRA, the conventional way by adding money directly to it, there's still ways to get money into a Roth IRA via the Roth conversion. And you can either convert old retirement plans into a Roth IRA or the backdoor Roth IRA. You can contribute to a traditional IRA without taking a tax deduction. This is called a non-deductible IRA contribution, and it's very important that you indicate on your tax return that you made a non-deductible IRA contribution. If not, there could be some adverse tax consequences. Once the money's in the traditional IRA, you convert it from the traditional into the Roth IRA. There's no income limit on being able to convert money into a Roth IRA. The only income restriction is on directly contributing to a Roth IRA. Pretty simple process to do, either online or through a form, depending on the investment company you're working with. And then once the money's in the Roth IRA, you can go ahead and get it invested. Again, really important that you note it correctly on your tax return and you file the proper forms. Otherwise, there could be some adverse tax consequences. So again, recommend working with a seasoned professional that knows the rules before proceeding.